Are you worried about what new to prepare in breakfast? So here is Cuisine Capture to help you out with healthy breakfast recipes. Be with me till end and express your love with like and subscribe. If you want to make eggless pancake, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda instead of egg. It's better if you keep whisking it in one direction. Mix it well as we don't want any lumps in this batter. This is how the batter should be. Add little bit of oil and wipe it with a tissue paper. Keep the flame medium and you will notice that the bubble will start to appear. Look at those bubbles. They start popping as well. We don't want this top side to completely dry out before we flip it. So as soon as you see few bubbles on it, flip this pancake. My fluffy and soft pancakes are ready. I'm going to serve this pancake with apple. Spread some dry fruits and drizzle some honey on it. Enjoy your breakfast. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, so please do like and subscribe our channel.